Arigato! Hi! Greetings all. Welcome back to the Dave DY Show. Another installment coming from the dark, deep airways with wonderful, trivial, insane topics. Whatever. This is a good one because my son is back from Nippon, the land of the rising sun. Yes, Jeffrey has returned. He spent his time, a month or so, in Tokyo, in Hokkaido, northern Japan, Sapporo, where they make their delicious beer. And he had an exceptional, an exemplary time there. We picked him up early. He landed after an 11 or 12 hour flight in Los Angeles, and in Los Angeles with a 10-hour layover to Fort Lauderdale. We got him this morning, early, 5 o'clock, and it's great. He had no problems. He had excess stuff in his checked luggage. Everything worked out fine, and he had a wonderful time. Shout out to Coy, to Ellie, to Ian, but especially Ellie. Ellie, she watches the podcast. Yes! He met some wonderful friends over there. Some good contacts, probably for a long, long time. It's a unique genre. I mean, a lot of people like anime or watch anime. Not many people travel abroad to really immerse themselves in it, especially the culture where it originates, right? Manga and whatnot. So, great time around. Love the food, like the people, like the areas, love the city, really like Tokyo. I had all kinds of goals and aspirations before he went. And a lot of that changed, and there were a lot of different things that came out of the trip that now he spends a moment and reflects after he's back. So pretty cool all in all. Pretty awesome opportunity. He met the gentleman that was the originator for some of the first critical mangas. What is it? Sailor Moon, which is pretty sick. These were the ones that were published. Manga's underground, so it's frowned upon in Japan. It started out as what we would, compartmentalize as graffiti, right? And so they would produce these magazines with these topics that were taboo or different or strange, and then these artistic representations. And so Sailor Moon, the gentleman that they talked with, and to Jeffrey said he had a Minions t-shirt on. Not very Americanized, are you? So that's pretty cool. And the guy gave some good examples. He gave some of the good lessons that he learned, where he would draw the art, and then they had these animators, these key animators they're called, or something like that, and they owned the animation project, and these guys would throw the art away and reproduce it so that their name was the only name on the art, on the animation. Strange, but I mean, that's hierarchy, and that's, how you build your resume, and that's, that's, in some respects, that's the Japanese way. They will crush you and kill you and move on, right? Everything for your progression, for your learning, for your, self-worth and how you're viewed. Every culture, right? Goods and bads. But he said it was pretty wonderful. Before he went over, we talked about a lot of stuff. Well, we also talked, my children have grown up loving sweets. Any child does. And one likes chocolate more than hard candy. The other likes hard candy more than chocolate. So in the last decade, we've probably bought 1,000 pounds of Starburst and or Jolly Ranchers and or Skittles and or Kit Kat. The chocolate kid always loved the Kit Kat, Jeffrey. Well, Tokyo, Japan, is one of the biggest consumers of Kit Kat globally. globally. And there's a number of reasons for that. It's comparable in the terminology to kitakatsu, which means you will surely win. And it's a Japanese phrase that's shared with academics, students, children taking tests, people striving, trying to accomplish with some type of evaluation. And when that kitakatsu is experienced because of whatever the activity that's going on, prior to that, there's a presentation in many instances of Kit Kat, right? Hey, good luck. You'll surely win. You'll do well. And so there's over 300 flavors of Kit Kat from the time 1978, I think, when it was first introduced, to now. And I think it's Nestle or Kraft or somebody owns the distribution or rights or controls whatever in Tokyo. They have regional flavors. They have edamame. They have maple syrup. They have Hokkaido sweet potato. They have puff, cream puff. They have wasabi. They have matcha, green tea, any flavor. And then they use multiple chocolates, dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate. I mean, it's massive in Tokyo, in Japan. Kit Kats are huge. And Kit Kat itself, the brand, has overtaken the second biggest chocolate dessert or chocolate candy over there. And I don't know, I can't remember what it's called, Myola, something like that. But Kit Kat has become massive. And they experiment regionally. So based on locations in the islands, the Japanese islands, they make their own brands, right? Which is where you get some of these weird flavors like Hokkaido sweet potato or something. It's something that's only grown in the Hokkaido region, northern Japan, and potato. And it's infused into the dessert. I don't know, wasabi? I mean, we've had sushi, you've had wasabi, the green paste, and a Kit Kat? Or edamame? The little beans that you pop and eat, and they're salty. I don't know. Some of them I can't even wrap my head around. So I thought that was pretty interesting. Well, Jeffrey loves Kit Kats, so he went abroad and he brought back, oh, look at that. Tokyo Banana Kit Kat. Yes, sir, this is the unboxing. Banana Kit Kat sound delicious. I'm just telling you. Chocolate with the wafer, the milk chocolate that's creamy and smooth with the wafer. Delicious. Now you make it banana. You infuse the dark chocolate or the milk chocolate, or maybe even there's that white chocolate layer. You know how they layered the Kit Kat? With a banana layer? Oh, what? Yeah, so as you can see, I can't read any of this. Like the samurai. And it's monos, or it's polysyllabic, but I still don't get the Japanese. And then, but that's the squeaky girls. The samurai always had the, they ended with the, So I tried to, but that's not with the Kit Kat. Everybody would probably go, right? So, Jeffrey brought these back. I don't know if he did or didn't like them. He said at the 7-Eleven, the convenience mart, they had tons of delicious food that was affordable. They had pork, right? They had pork barbecue. They had noodles. They had curry. We go in and you get the crappy old pizza slice or the hot dog or whatever. Much more gastro-connected, right? It just seems to be the way. Which is also, I don't know, you're on an island. So most of the stuff you're going to get there, you probably have some farmland, but it's going to be seafood, right? But So I wanted to unbox and test these. I can't read any of this. Oh, Nestle. So, whoever owns Nestle right now. Yeah, I can't read any of the nutritional information. I don't know if I should eat these, but I think they're going to be delish. There's the banana, and it's got a bow tie on it. I don't know. Tokyo Banana Kit Kat. And it comes wonderfully dressed in an 8-pack of 2. They seem smaller, they're shorter, they seem like, right? I don't know. I don't recall ever seeing boxed Kit Kat. They got a cool little package. I guess you could print little sayings on it. It's got the weird logo. I would expect these are gonna come out yellow. I would expect they're gonna smell banana-y, I think. I can't smell anything yet. Good packaging. Oh, have a break. Have a break. Give me a break. Give me a piece of that Kit Kat outside. You know, whatever. Still heavily Americanized, right? Yeah, it's whatever we invented, or we. Oh no! So it's the traditional Kit Kat. There it is, and they are shorter and smaller, and they make a U. Look at that. They put the logo on the top, and they don't split them all the way. So you have the banana. Oh, they smell delicious though. Kit Kat, banana flavored Tokyo Kit Kat. Insides are the same. And it is, it's just flavored with the wafer, not so much the chocolate. It's a mild banana flavor. Yeah, it's not overpowering, it's very delicious. It's still the essence of the chocolate snack with the crispiness, the chocolate flavor, the milky smoothness, the milk chocolate smoothness, but you get a little bit of the banana. Those are fabulous. They're gummy. The chocolate is gummy and sticky, just like, you know, you have a good fresh snack. They're fresh. The wafers crunch. Those are fabulous. With that in mind, I now have a better understanding of just how many flavors you could stick into a Kit Kat. You keep the candy essence, but you infuse ever so delicately, or even a little more powerfully on, say, banana, where it has a subtle flavor or an overpowering flavor like wasabi. And it gives you that candy, but that delicious flavor that you're familiar with and that you really love. I bet you a vast majority of their 300 brands of Kit Kat are freaking delicious. Ooh, how do they do it? Those damn Japanese did it again. Took our stuff and made it better. That's what they've always done. Copycat wizards, right? Yeah, that's fabulous. And I would, well, there's the picture of the damn thing right there with the little banana. Boop. I would suggest anyone try these if you're ever in Tokyo. Try the multiple Kit Kat flavors that they have. These are delicious, and they're much better than American Kit Kats. That's my opinion. That's what I'm saying. Or not, they're just good. They're good candy. Yay, Kit Kats! I do love the chocolate. Thanks for watching. Give me any of your comments. Like, share, subscribe, whatever. Don't watch it. Watch a piece of it. Thanks for watching the show. Welcome back. Jeffrey from Tokyo and all of his friends. Again, Croy and Ellie and Ian. Get home. I'm glad you're home. You're safe and you had a great time. Yeah! Go Tokyo! Dave DY Show out.